Where is the duty-free shop located? Where is the duty-free shop located? What are the limits for duty-free purchases? What are the limits for duty-free purchases? Do you have any discounts on perfumes? Do you have any discounts on perfumes? Can I see the latest electronics available? Can I see the latest electronics available? Are there any sales on alcohol? Are there any sales on alcohol? What are the duty-free allowances for tobacco? What are the duty-free allowances for tobacco? Can I get a receipt for this purchase? Can I get a receipt for this purchase? Is this item eligible for tax refund? Is this item eligible for tax refund? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? Are there any promotions on cosmetics? Are there any promotions on cosmetics? Can I buy duty-free goods online? Can I buy duty-free goods online? How much does this bottle of wine cost? How much does this bottle of wine cost? Are these prices in local currency? Are these prices in local currency? Can I pay in USD? Can I pay in USD? Is there a limit on how many bottles of liquor I can buy? Is there a limit on how many bottles of liquor I can buy? Do you have any special offers on chocolates? Do you have any special offers on chocolates? Can you wrap this as a gift? Can you wrap this as a gift? What is the return policy for duty-free items? What is the return policy for duty-free items? Can I purchase duty-free items if I have a connecting flight? Can I purchase duty-free items if I have a connecting flight? Are these items exempt from VAT? Are these items exempt from VAT? Do you sell local souvenirs duty-free? Do you sell local souvenirs duty-free? How much can I spend duty-free? How much can I spend duty-free? Are electronics cheaper at duty-free? Are electronics cheaper at duty-free? Do you have any offers on jewelry? Do you have any offers on jewelry? Can I get a warranty on this product? Can I get a warranty on this product? Do I need to show my boarding pass to shop here? Do I need to show my boarding pass to shop here? Can I collect my duty-free items on arrival? Can I collect my duty-free items on arrival? What brands of whiskey do you carry? What brands of whiskey do you carry? Can you help me find this perfume? Can you help me find this perfume? Are there any limits on cosmetics? Are there any limits on cosmetics? Do you have a loyalty program? Do you have a loyalty program? Can I pre-order duty-free items? Can I pre-order duty-free items? Is there a duty-free shop in the arrival hall? Is there a duty-free shop in the arrival hall? Are the prices here cheaper than in town? Are the prices here cheaper than in town? Can I get a tax refund on these items? Can I get a tax refund on these items? How much is this after the discount? How much is this after the discount? Do you sell cameras duty-free? Do you sell cameras duty-free? What is the maximum amount of tobacco I can buy? What is the maximum amount of tobacco I can buy? Can I try this product before buying? Can I try this product before buying? Is there a duty-free shop near my gate? Is there a duty-free shop near my gate? Do you have any travel exclusive products? Do you have any travel exclusive products? Can I get a refund if I miss my flight? Can I get a refund if I miss my flight? Are these prices inclusive of tax? Are these prices inclusive of tax? Can I return duty-free items at another airport? Can I return duty-free items at another airport? Do you offer price matching? Do you offer price matching? Are there any restrictions on buying duty-free items? Are there any restrictions on buying duty-free items? Can I buy duty-free items with a layover? Can I buy duty-free items with a layover? Do you offer delivery service for duty-free items? Do you offer delivery service for duty-free items? Are these prices competitive? Are these prices competitive? Can I see your selection of luxury watches? Can I see your selection of luxury watches? Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare? Please show your passport and boarding pass. Please show your passport and boarding pass. Are you carrying any restricted items? Are you carrying any restricted items? Do you have any food items with you? Do you have any food items with you? Have you completed your customs declaration form? Have you completed your customs declaration form? Are you carrying any cash over $10,000? Are you carrying any cash over $10,000? Do you have any goods to declare? Do you have any goods to declare? Are you carrying any plants or animals? Are you carrying any plants or animals? Please place your bags on the inspection table. Please place your bags on the inspection table. Do you have any alcohol or tobacco? Do you have any alcohol or tobacco? Are you bringing in any commercial goods? Are you bringing in any commercial goods? Can you open your suitcase for inspection? Can you open your suitcase for inspection? Are you carrying any gifts or samples? Are you carrying any gifts or samples? Do you have any prescription medications? Do you have any prescription medications? Are you traveling with any controlled substances? Are you traveling with any controlled substances? Please declare any items over the duty-free allowance. Please declare any items over the duty-free allowance. Are you carrying any prohibited items? Are you carrying any prohibited items? Do you have any items purchased abroad? Do you have any items purchased abroad? Are you carrying any electronic devices? Are you carrying any electronic devices? Please show receipts for your purchases. Please show receipts for your purchases. Do you have any duty-free items? Do you have any duty-free items? Are you carrying any weapons or firearms? Are you carrying any weapons or firearms? Please fill out this customs declaration form. Please fill out this customs declaration form. Are you bringing in any goods for resale? Are you bringing in any goods for resale? Do you have any medical equipment with you? Do you have any medical equipment with you? Are you carrying any items for personal use? Are you carrying any items for personal use? Please declare any goods over $800. Please declare any goods over $800. Do you have any items to declare in your hand luggage? Do you have any items to declare in your hand luggage? Are you traveling with any antiques or artworks? Are you traveling with any antiques or artworks? Please show proof of purchase for these items. Please show proof of purchase for these items. Are you bringing in any agricultural products? Are you bringing in any agricultural products? Do you have any jewelry or precious metals? Do you have any jewelry or precious metals? Are you carrying any items for business purposes? Are you carrying any items for business purposes? Please declare any gifts over the value of $100. Please declare any gifts over the value of $100. Are you bringing in any used items? Are you bringing in any used items? Do you have any perishable goods? Do you have any perishable goods? Are you carrying any sports equipment? Are you carrying any sports equipment? Please provide the details of your shipment. Please provide the details of your shipment. Do you have any items sent separately? Do you have any items sent separately? Are you traveling with any fragile items? Are you traveling with any fragile items? Please declare any high-value items. Please declare any high-value items. Are you carrying any items in your checked baggage? Are you carrying any items in your checked baggage? Do you have any items subject to import restrictions? Do you have any items subject to import restrictions? Are you bringing in any samples for trade shows? Are you bringing in any samples for trade shows? Please show your customs duty payment receipt. Please show your customs duty payment receipt. Do you have any professional equipment? Do you have any professional equipment? Are you carrying any items for scientific research? Are you carrying any items for scientific research? Please declare any items over $1,000. Please declare any items over $1,000. Are you traveling with any cultural artifacts? Are you traveling with any cultural artifacts? Do you have any live animals with you? Do you have any live animals with you?